Hello friends, welcome to Yaraa. So your favorite AI sales agent is now available on WordPress Plugin Directory. Yes, it's already approved on WordPress site. So let's just check it out how you can install it directly from WordPress Plugin Directory. So you need to go to your own website, log into WP admin, and once you are there, after login, go to plugins, search for Yaraa AI Sales Agent in the search plugin area, and you will have the Yaraa coming up. Then click on Install Now button, and there you go. It's installed for you. Just activate it, and then let's find the Yaraa from the left menu and uh, accept the terms and condition. Over here, you have two options: either you create an account or log into your existing account. So we wanna create an account, but if you already have your account created, by all means, just log into it. So now the account is created. We are gonna sign in uh, for Yaraa AI Sales WordPress. So it's gonna ask me a couple of steps. It's kind of installation visa, setup visa. So we're gonna do the setup visa. We'll ask, the domain name is already taken, so we'll just go by what options given there. And then you can do configuration like your business name, your location, the classification, whether you want the microphone more enabled for your AI sales agent that is going to be live on your front end website. So avatar is already live. Then you want the response elaborate or concise by the AI avatar. And finally, you select the avatar that you need, right? So we're going to just select the default version. And then we can see the train AI agent option where we're going to have, because this is a free version, we have the 5 URLs that we can input. So we'll go with the 5 URLs and we'll select the HTML form. You also have the voice-based assisted HTML form. So, but we're going to select the basic HTML form, which is more like a lead generation form where, people will, your visitor will enter the name, email, and phone number. And that's that. And then finally on step 4 is the deployment. So we can just test it because it's a WordPress install. On the front end, we can see the AI avatar is coming up. We're just going to try it. So enter name, email, and there you go. I think it's working perfectly fine. We're going to ask a couple of questions. So what are the pricing plans? And it's going to work out from the 5 page website URLs that we enter when we were training the AI agent, and it's going to train itself automatically, and it's going to give the answer to different questions by your website visitors, and it converts your website visitor into a paying customer. That's the whole thing. Thanks for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.